But if y'all would please put your hands together for the beautiful, the lovely, seductive Coffee.
How y'all doing tonight? How y'all doing tonight? Yeah! All right, the first song I'm going to sing, it feels good. But let me give you some dictation about feels good. You ever love someone or you care for someone and they mean everything to you? But do you not know that it could be that very last moment that you did not get a chance to tell them that you love them? So right now I want to set you in the mood for love. So everybody say woo! I want everybody to say, love me!
Love me!
Say, love me now! Say, it feels good! No, say it again. Say, it feels good! Alright, what I want to do is I want to give you the lyrics to this song. It's called, it feels good to reach out and touch you. It feels good to see a smile on your face. It feels good to say, I love you, baby, because it could be our very last day. Don't take nothing for granted. Always tell that person you love them, because you never know when it'll end. Try the DJ.
Feels good.